inspection nothing but material testing. Okay. So that quality inspection is done by quality inspector. Who can become quality inspector? Senior stocks manager can become quality inspector. Senior stocks manager can become quality inspector. So while doing quality inspection, if quality inspector come to know some material is broken, then that broken material they will send it back to supplier and ask for a new material. So this process we call it as what? Sorry? Purchase? Good. Purchase returns. So see, after completion of after completion of quality inspection, now I'll continue now. After completion of quality inspection, then they will send all the materials to stocks department. By the time they send materials to stocks department, all types of materials would have mixed. All types of materials would have mixed, jumbled. So now in stocks department, what they do is stocks executive will segregate the materials. That means one type of material separately will group it, another type of material separately will group it. So stocks department people, what they do is they'll segregate all the materials and they will dump particular material into particular warehouse. They dump particular material into particular warehouse. When they dump a particular material into particular warehouse, then warehouse has become full or empty. Don't sit like a lazy way. Okay? Dead days don't keep. So all of us just sit straight. Full sleepy mode. Sit straight, all of you. Good. Speak loudly. If you tell secret, I'll throw you out. Speak loudly. Okay? Yes. So when they dump a particular material into a particular warehouse, then warehouse has become full or empty. Very good. Now warehouse has become what? Full of materials. Now once warehouses are full of materials, then stocks manager what he will do is again he will look into production request. Then he come to know what type of material and how much quantity material production want. Then stocks manager will supply material to production. Understood this? Yes. That means what happened now? Material supply happened. Remember, material supply happened physically, not through software. You can see how they, send material. You can see that guy. See, he will take the material and go to stocks department. Understood this? Material supply happens physically, not through software. Okay? Iron bars you can't send through software. Understood this? Physically, they will what? Send it. So now what happened? Material supply happened. Material supply happened. Once material supply happened to production, then in production department they start real car manufacturing. See how it happens. Understood this? Got it. Once material supply happened to production department, then production department will start real car manufacturing. All robotics you can see there. Okay, robots will fix all engine and all they fix, and bonnet and all they fix. Till now you understood, all of you? I'll quickly repeat. See, after quality inspection, they send material to stocks department. By the time stocks department receive the material, all types of materials would have mixed, jumbled. So stocks executive, what he will do is, he will segregate the materials. One type of material separately group it, another type of material separately group it. He will segregate all the materials. After that, they will dump a particular material into a particular warehouse. When they dump a particular material into a particular warehouse, then warehouses become full. When warehouses are full of materials, then stocks manager again he opens production request and he look into production request. Then he come to know what type of material, how much quantity they're asking. Then that type of material, that much quantity they will supply to production. They will supply that material to production. So that means what happened here? Material supply happened. So here material supply happens physically, not through software. Once material supply happened, then production department, they start real car manufacturing, as you are seeing on screen. Did you understand? Come and write it till now. Once all of his writing is done, then we'll move to next step. If you're still writing, I'll wait. Finished? All of you. How many of you finished? Okay. Online. Finished writing? Surya? Can you please call attendance tracker or somebody, one who's sitting outside? Is anybody there? ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಇದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ Is it done online? Shall I move to the next step? Online, shall I move to the next step? Yes, I'll move to the next step. Now listen to me. Now, real car manufacturing is going on. Okay? Assume that car manufacturing is completed. Car manufacturing is completed. Okay? You want to see new version of Fortune, how it looks? Yes, excited? Watch screen. See? This is how new version of Fortuner looks. Old, not new. There are some new features. You should go near to that and see. Ah. This is a new, old is gold. This is a new version of what? Toyota Fortuner. Okay? So this product, we call it as which product? Finished goods. This product, we call it as finished goods. What goods? After completion of manufacturing, a product which is ready to sell, that product we call it as what? Finished goods. Understood this? Yes. And this finished goods to be sent to finished goods warehouse. You can see. Finished goods to be sent to finished goods warehouse. Who will take responsibility of this work? Stocks stocks manager. Stocks manager will take responsibility of moving. Stocks manager will take responsibility of moving finished goods to finished goods warehouse. Understood this? Yes. Stocks manager will take responsibility of moving finished goods to finished goods warehouse. Did you understand? Yes. Now all of you tell me, in this finished goods warehouse, total how many cars you were able to see? Some people are saying two, three. Nonsense fellows, you forgot example. You should involve in the example. What is the order? And then how many you were able to see in finished goods warehouse? How many? How many? Loudly. How many? Now you are on my track. Got it? So in finished goods warehouse, how many Fortuner cars are there? 50 cars. Are they responding, Surya? Online? Yes. So 50 cars are there, right? Now listen to me. After moving finished goods to finished goods warehouse, then stocks department, what they do is they'll inform to sales. They will inform to sales saying that, hey sales, so and so customer order is ready. That's how they'll inform to sales. Now sales department, they take responsibility of delivering product to customer through logistic. Through logistic. So sales team will take responsibility. See, when I say sales team will take responsibility, nothing but they will not drive the cars and give it to customer. No. So sales team, they'll make sure that these products are delivered to customers. Okay? So once sales team come to know so and so customer order is ready, then sales team will take responsibility of delivering product to customer through which department? Logistic department. Okay? You know how they deliver? All these cars, 50 cars, in logistic department, you know, what they do is, oh, fine, listen to me. One more step is there. Listen to me. Once the sales team come to know so and so customer order is ready, then sales team, they prepare invoice. They prepare invoice which contains total bill for customer order. They prepare invoice and they will send that invoice to customer. They will send that invoice to customer. Customer, as soon as he receives the invoice, he look into the invoice. He look into the invoice. By looking into invoice, customer come to know how much amount he should pay. Then customer, he will pay the amount. How do he pay the amount? He will transfer amount to Toyota Manufacturing Company account. He will to customer transfer amount to Toyota organization. Got it? So that means customer, he did payment. In Toyota organization, account departments, once they get confirmation that really they received amount from customer, then accounts department, they'll inform to sales saying that, Hey sales, we received amount from customer. That's how account department will inform to sales. Once account department gets confirmation that really they received amount from customer, then sales department will take responsibility of delivering product to customer through logistic. See what happens? All these cars in logistic department, there is a big truck. You can see that. Yes, no? They, in this truck, there is a slab. Above they'll keep cars, below they keep cars. All 50 cars they dump into this type of trucks, and the truck will move to customer place. And the truck will move to customer place and deliver product to customer. When they deliver product to customer beautifully he will keep that car in his showroom and start selling it. Understood this? So successfully product is delivered to customer. Understood? Come on, write it till now. Some people not expected that truck will move. I'll quickly repeat. After completion of manufacturing, write it, keep on writing. After completion of manufacturing the product, then those products we call it as finished goods, and finished goods to be sent to finished goods warehouse. This action, stocks manager will take responsibility of moving finished goods to finished goods warehouse. After moving finished goods to finished goods warehouse, then stocks department they'll inform to sales saying that sales so and so customer order is ready. They'll inform to sales. Once sales department come to know so and so customer order is ready, then sales department they move on to prepare invoice which contains total bill. So after preparing invoice, then they will send that invoice to particular customer. Customer, as soon as they receive invoice, he look into the invoice. By looking into invoice, customer come to know how much amount he should pay. Then customer he will transfer amount to Toyota organization. That means he did payment. Once customer do payment in Toyota organization, once account department gets confirmation that really they received amount from customer, then accounts department they'll inform to sales saying that sales we really received amount from customer. That's how they'll inform to sales. Once sales department gets confirmation that really they received amount from customer, then sales department they take responsibility of moving finished goods to customer. So they take responsibility of delivering product to customer through logistic. In logistic department, big trucks will be there which can hold the cars. So they dump all 50 cars into trucks, and that truck will move to customer place and deliver product to customer. Once customer receive the product, so he'll keep that product in his showroom and start selling it. I'm sorry. Is it done, all of you? Online writing is done? If you're still writing, I'll wait, but let me know. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. Last 2 minutes. Done? Online? Yes. Now listen to me. Now listen to me. See, this logistic department, one time, while going to customer place in logistic department, they write trip note. What is that? Trip means not going to trip to enjoy. No. One time, if they are going to customer place to deliver, before they go logistic department, so they write trip note. Which product it is. Okay, in one track, how many products kept? Got it? Yes. And who is the driver? Who is responsible to deliver there? Got it? What time you left here? What time you reached customer place? Okay. After delivering, they'll come back and write delivery report. Did you understand, all of you? And now listen to me. After delivering product to customer received a product. right? After receiving the product, if customer find any defect in the product, that means one car headlight broken. What is broken? One car headlight broken. Customer after receiving the product, he found that one car headlight is broken. You know how customer will behave? Hey, this is broken product. Take back. Give me new car. Understood this? Then that broken product, it will come back from customer place to organization. This process we call it as sales returns. What is that? Sales returns. Did you understand all of you? After selling product to customer, if customer find any defect in the product, the defected product, he will give it back to organization and ask for a new product. So this process we call it as what? Sales returns. Understood this? Yes. And one more thing, manufacturing will not give a new car just because one headlight is broken. They just remove that part and fix a new part and send it. Did you understand? Write it this one, what I explained. Today successfully, second project domain explanation is finished. Now you guys can take screenshot. After completion of writing, you can take screenshot. Complete diagram. Trip note. After delivering product to customer, if customer find any defect in the product, then the defected product sent back to organization and ask for a new product. So this process we call it as sales returns. This process we call it as sales returns. This process we call it as sales returns. Is it done, guys? All of it done? All right, yes. So that's all about domain explanation for second project. Yes. Did you understand this, all of you? Yes. Now I'll show how to open second project every day. Every day how to open second project I'll show. Okay? Yes. See your second project, it is already there in VMware. Okay? If you want to open second project, so you should play VMware first. Okay? Watch it first what I will do, then you should do. Okay? Yes. As usual, you should open VMware. You should open VMware. Yes, I'll double click and open VMware. Otherwise, do one thing. All of you play VMware. Play VMware. When you play VMware, when you reach desktop of VMware, by default, which project will be loading? Your first project. Yes or no? When first project is loading, don't do anything. Let it load completely. Until you get first project login page, don't do anything. Okay? Yes, all of you play VMware. All of you play VMware. Play VMware. Your first project will be loading. Let it load completely until you get first project login page. Don't do anything. Just play and keep quiet. Yes, I got login page of first project. Now I should get inside full screen mode. Enter full screen mode. All of you reached? All of you got first project login page? Loading still? Okay, I'll do it. Got login page? All of you got? Online got login page of first project? Yes, now listen to me. What is the next step you should do? I will tell. Come and do it. Still it is loading. No problem. Let it load. You watch what to do next step. Watch it, all of you. See, you should close first project window. To close this first project window, you should click on white color close button or red color close button. Got it? Huh. See, on screen there are two close buttons. Red color close button, white color close button. This white color close button, it is a VMware close button. You should not close the VMware. Okay? You should close browser window. This first project browser window you should close. To close that, you should click on what? Red color close button. Okay, I closed it. Now listen to me. After closing browser window, then I'll be on VMware desktop. I'll be on VMware desktop. Listen to me. If you want to open the second project, if you want to open the second project, you need to install some server. You need to install some server. Okay? What is that server? Let me explain. There is a server called WAMP server. Which server? LAMP not. It's a WAMP. It's not LAMP. So you need to install WAMP server. So if you want to open your second project, you need to install WAMP server. Okay? Yes. What is WAMP? It's a server, one of the server. What is the abbreviation of WAMP? You know what is the abbreviation of WAMP? No, wrong answer. You know what do you mean by WAMP? W nothing but web or Windows. Okay? Yes. A for Apple, not lower and Magane. Who is that? Okay. A for Apple, not. That is over. LKG, UKG. Huh. A for Apache. What is that? Apache, not Apache. What is Apache? See, Apache is application server. It also acts as a web server. Okay. And M for MySQL. Who is SQL? MySQL. M for MySQL. P for PHP. P for PHP. Got it? Yes. So your second project system architecture is WAMP. Okay. If you want to open Dolibar application, first you need to install what? WAMP server. Now you can ask me, sir, where can I get WAMP server? See, you can download WAMP server from Google. It will not take a minute. Within a minute you can download. But don't download it because we already downloaded, kept in VMware. Okay, you just have to install it. That's it. Okay. Yes. Take a screenshot of this. If anybody asks what is the system architecture of Dolibar, you can say WAMP in case if they ask. Written? Taken screen? Photo? Good. Now, see how to install WAMP server. I'll show. How to install WAMP server. I'll show. Yes. This is VMware desktop. See, you can see WAMP server icon which is in pink color. There is a pink color W icon, right? It's a WAMP server. We already downloaded and kept on desktop. If you are not able to see on desktop, then do one thing. Click on Start button. You will get Start menu. In Start menu, you will find what? WAMP server. Okay. Now I'll explain how to install it. Okay. See, I just have to click, double click. I just have to do double click on WAMP server icon. When I do double click on WAMP server icon, you know what happens? That WAMP server icon comes on taskbar. It comes on taskbar. Right bottom corner, you will find WAMP server icon. When I double click on WAMP server icon, right bottom corner on taskbar, you will get WAMP server icon. By default, WAMP server icon, it will be it will be in red color. Which color? Red color. Okay? You should wait until that icon turns to green color. Because green color indicates what? Successfully installed. But first it will convert to orange color. Listen to me. When I double click on WAMP server icon, that WAMP server icon comes on taskbar. So in which part of the taskbar? right bottom corner on taskbar WAM server icon comes. By default, it is in red color. You should wait. You should wait until it turns to green color. How it turns to green color? See, when it was in red color, from red to orange it will convert first. Orange means installation is going on. First it will convert red to orange. Then it will convert orange to green. When that WAM server icon turns to green color, that shows successfully WAM server is installed. Did you understand? Now all of you watch my screen, then only you will understand. Otherwise you can't understand. Okay? Now I'm going to click on WAM server icon. Now I'm going to click on WAM server icon. When I click on WAM server icon, when I double click on WAM server icon, here, bottom right corner on task for WAM server icon comes. Okay? Now I'll double click. I can observe it is in red color on taskbar. Now it turns to orange. Now it turns to green. Yes, no? Yes, no? Over. Installation is done. Come on, all of you install WAM server. WAM server install, all of you. Install WAM server. Installed. Online installed. Online installed. Yes, no. Install it, please. Yes. Now let's move next step. Let's move next step. Watch it. After installing WAM server, the WAM server icon displayed on taskbar in green color, right? Now you should click on WAM server icon which is in green color on taskbar. You should click, not double click. That's why uncontrollable fellows. I didn't do click. Why are you doing? If you in this stage, if you are not able to control, what you will control in future? See, you should click on WAM server icon which is in green color. It's not double click, it's a single click. Which click? Single click. I will show first. Okay, watch screen. See, when you click WAM, when you click on WAM server icon, what happens? Pop-up menu comes. In this menu, you have to select option called local host. You have to select option called local host. Why you should select option called local host? Why? Because you are going to install that second project and use that second project in your system. So your system is local host. It is local to that application. Yes, no? Huh. In this menu, you have to select what? Local host. When you select local host, then it display WAM server page. Come and do it. All of you come to WAM server page. 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 Came? Came. Good. Online. Did you come to WAM server page? Yes. Online. Did you come to WAM server page? Yes. Very good. Next step. Listen to me now. In WAM server page, if you scroll down, in the mid of the page, there is a section called your projects. There is a section called your project. Under your projects section, we already kept your project link. You can see Dolly bar 3.3.1. Yes, no? I'm sorry. Under your projects section, We already kept your project link. You should click on your second project link, that is Dolly Bar 3.3.1. You should click on that link. When I click on that link, then it display index of your second project. All of you come to this page. All of you come to this page. All of you came? Online. Did you come? Did you come to index page? All of you, did you come to index page? Yes, fantastic. Fantastic. Now listen to the next step. In this index page, it contains many links, right? Yes. So which link you have to click to open second project, that I'll tell. From bottom, third link, which is named as HT docs. What is that? Docs, not docs. HT docs. From bottom, it's a third link, which is named as HT docs. So we should click on HT docs link. When I click on HT docs link, you will get login page of your second project. This is how your second project looks. Okay? Come on, all of you come to this login page. All of you got login page? All of you got login page online? Yes, fantastic. Online, you got login page? Yes, fantastic. Now let us log in, okay? Let us log in. Just see how that second project looks. Okay. I'll enter username and password. And there is no login button. There is a button called connection. Give connection. I'll give connection. When I click on connection, this is how your second project looks. This is how your second project looks. Okay. Again, it is a medium-sized project. The way I'm going to explain second project, if you are able to explain it back in the same way, you can fill 2 years to 2.5 years gap with this application. Okay? Yes. This is home page, and top of the home page, whatever you are seeing, these features we call it as modules. Home module, third parties module, product or services module, commercial module, financial, bank and cash module, projects module, members module, documents module, point of sale module, agenda module, holiday module. Done? Yes. You want username password? Definitely. Yes. Yeah. On board, okay. I'll write here. All of you log in and see what is the password. You should control yourself until I tell. Okay? Yeah. The username and the password is username is admin. I didn't tell you to guess it. I will only tell. Password is admin. Username is admin and the password is admin. Admin. Written? All of you taken? Come on, log in. See your second project. Already logged in? Yes. Good. All of you logged in online? Did you see your second project? And you can change the skin of the second project. Sir, this maroon color, yellow color looks like burning entire application. Okay, you can change it. You know how? I will show only one setup. Simply, you don't do everything setup and be in a problem. Okay? You don't do, you don't change all different setups and all. You should not change. Okay? You should go to setup. In setup, there is an option called display. What play? In setup, under setup, there is an option called display. Click on display, you will get many skins. Amarok, Aguria, Burio Tuyo, Camelio, some names are there. Okay, you can select the screen, but see, I'll select. Oh, before you select, what you should do is you should scroll down, and there is a modify button. Bottom right corner, there is a button called modify. Click on modify button. Then it will allow you to select the skin. I'll select the skin. Aguria, select. After selecting one skin, you should click on save. Bottom of the screen, there is a save button. Click on save. When you click on save, see? Which one you like, you can select it. Okay? Yes. But as usual, I'll select default one. Again, I'll click on modify. Save. You can change the skin. Only change the skin, don't do anything. Okay? Yes. Good, good. Good, good. Yes. So, you've seen your second project homepage, all of you? Yes. Every day, you know how you logged in now? Every day, same way you should log into application. Every day you should install WAM server. Understood this? No, sir, today install, tomorrow still that WAM server is there on taskbar. Then continue same process. This is how every day you should log into your second project. Priya, after setup, what will click, sir? You know what, Priya? Click on modify and select the skin. After that, scroll down and select save button. Click on save button. That's it. When you click on save, that's fine. After that, click on home module. Then you will come back to home module page. Okay, Priya? Priya, you understood? Are you there? All right. No. Not understood? Why you not understood? What are you doing? I said after changing the skin, after selecting skin, you should click on what? If you want to select a skin, click on modify, then select a skin, then click on save. After selecting skin, then click on home module. There is a module on top of the screen, home. Click home module, you'll come back to this page. Did you understand? Okay. No response, I can't wait. Yes. So did you understand, all of you, how to log into your application? Yes, fantastic. And now I'll teach how to log out from this application. See, right top corner, there is a key. There is a, option, lock option. That is the icon they kept for logout. There is the icon they kept for logout, lock option, top right corner. Okay. So click logout link. When you click on logout link, you will successfully log out from this application and you will come back to login page. Understood? Then close the browser. Close the browser. And then power off VMware. This is how every day you should log in and log out from your first project. Did you understand? So they definitely they'll ask. When I'm teaching, if you are not watching, Priya, this is what the problem you'll face. Got it? Yes. If you do all other activities when I'm teaching, this kind of problems will face. Next time I'll not repeat. When I'm teaching, all of you should listen. Under setup, go to display. When you scroll down, click on modify. When I'm teaching, if your application is still loading, you can hear my voice, right? You can write the step. Quickly, fast, you can write. When screen is not visible, alternative, you should write what I'm saying. According to that, you should do it. You should scroll down and click on modify, then select whichever skin you want, then click on save. That's it. Then click on home module, then log out. Understood? Yes. Sandeep, definitely domain you have to explain while explaining application. First project I already showed how to explain your project, right? Yes. Vanita, if you are not able to modify the skin, don't worry. Forget about it. Don't change the skin only. Okay? It's not important. Okay? Yes. I just showed. That's it. Okay? Now listen to me. Before I start practical, see this Doriba application contains many modules. Okay, before I start practical, let me teach theory. Let me teach theory of important module. Okay, watch it. See, listen to me. For example, this is a manufacturing company. You understood already domain. Yes or no? Yes. Manufacturing company. Understand, please? First module, I'm explaining theoretically. Then I'll show practical. See, one manufacturing company contains many departments. Yes, no. One manufacturing company contains many departments. Many departments. Like, it contains sales department, it contains purchase department, it contains stocks department, it contains accounts department. Coming. It contains production department. It contains production department. Right? So one manufacturing company contains many departments, right? Yes. So listen to me. Assume that manufacturing company, they are not using any software. Assume that they are not using any software as of now. They are communicating all their process, okay, manually. See, if that is the case, definitely it takes a lot of time. See, you would have seen big manufacturing companies like in Bangalore, you can take HL. HL, okay. HL is a big organization, 1,000 acres land is there. In one manufacturing company, to move from one department to another department, half-kilometer distance. Got it? Block A, Block B, Block D, Block C, like this will be there. If one department executive, if you want to send that document to another department, you should carry that document physically, walk, and go to another department. It takes a lot of time. Yes or no? So, and one more thing, when they manage all their business details manually using files, chances are there, employees, they may cheat. Yes, no? Yes, there is no security for data. There is no security for data. Understood this? So to avoid all these things, they use a software. They use one ERP software. What is that? Dolly Bar. What bar? They use one ERP software. They use one ERP software. Got it? Yes. So in this manufacturing company, they are using one ERP software. Now tell me, to manage this entire ERP software, okay, I will only tell, to manage this entire ERP software, they would have hired admin. They would have hired admin. Who manages this entire ERP software in this organization? Yes, of course, definitely they need one admin. Admin job is to, take care of this application, make sure that 24 bar 7 this application is working fine in this organization. And you should make sure that all the departments, without any problem, they're using this ERP application. Admin is required. Understood this? Who manages this ERP application in this manufacturing company? Admin. Admin will manage. Did you understand online till now? Online, did you understand? Yes. Now listen to me. Listen, all of you. Admin, he will give access to all the departments. Admin will give software access to all the departments to use it. Understood this? Yes. How admin will give access of software to all the departments? Okay? Step by step, I'll explain. For example, listen to me. For example, admin, he will check first. In future, which department going to use this software? He will check. He will check. In future, which department going to use this software? He will check. When he check, for example, he came to know, sales department going to use this software. That is what admin came to know. Admin came to know, in future, sales department going to use this software. So, admin what he will do is, he will store sales department, he will store sales department details into this software. Understood? In future, which department going to use this software, admin came to know. The department details admin will store into this software. Did you understand? Now listen to me. This activity, that means admin storing department details into the software. This activity we call it as, what we call this activity? Admin creating new group. Got it? Admin storing particular department details into this software. That activity we call it as admin creating new group. Did you understand, all of you? All of you, did you understand what do you mean by creating new group? Understood? Storing particular department details into the software. With that activity we call it as admin creating new group. Clear? Yes. Next step. Watch it. After storing sales department details into this software, then admin will check in sales department how many executives going to use this software. That they will check. See, in one department there are many executives. Yes or no? Is there any rule that in every department everybody should use the software? No. That's what admin will look into sales department and he will check in future how many sales executives going to use this software. He will identify only those sales executive details he will store into this software. Got it? That's the next activity. The next activity is he will look into the particular department and check how many executives going to use this software. He will identify only those executive details he will collect and he will store into this software. Did you understand till now? Yes. Now listen to me. This activity, admin storing particular executive details into the software, that activity we call it as admin creating new user. Did you understand, all of you? Did you understand, all of you? Admin is storing particular executive details into the software, nothing but admin will be creating username and password for that executive. That means he will be creating executive account in that software, and he will give username password to that executive to use this software in future. That's the meaning of this second point. Did you understand? So after storing department details, then admin he will look into the department and identify how many executives going to use this software. Only those executive details he will collect and store into this software. Storing executive details into this software, that activity we call it as admin creating new user. Did you understand? Online, offline? Now listen to me. So let's move to the next step. See, till now, admin what he did? He stored sales department details. That means he stored particular department details into this software. Then he stored the department executive details into this software. That is what he did. Okay? That means till now, admin he stored department details separately into this software, and also he stored the department executive details separately into this software. He stored. Yes or no? After storing department details and the department executive details into the software, then next step, you know what admin will do? In this software, he will map which executive belongs to which department. He will map. This activity we can say he will associate particular executive details with particular department. That's what the next activity he will do in this software. What he will do? He will associate particular executive details with particular department. Got it? That is the third step. So this activity we call it as admin assigning user to the group. Admin assigning user to the group. Did you understand all of you? Yes.